In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy your mobile app link from Google Play Store. So quickly, I'm going to go over to Play Store. So when you come to Play Store, you want to click on search here to search for the app you want to copy the link for. For me, I'm going to search for VTM Converter. This is the converter that converts video to audio. This is the VTM converter and I'm going to click on it. I want to share this app with people because I've installed it and used it for a long time, and it's usually good for converting my videos to audio. And I'm going to tap on it to open it up. Once I have it opened up this way, it says update. I need to update mine when I'm done with this tutorial. Once I have it opened up this way, I'm going to click on these three dots here. You see the icon where it says share. You're going to click on share and you can copy the link of the app from here. Or you can choose to select what medium you want to use to transfer this link to the person you're sending it to. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.